2017 Kia Soul. The Soul is quick and ready with its innovative, catchy style, a sharp, roomy, and well-fitted cabin, and a comprehensive list of safety and fun features. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, one owner, four-wheel disc brakes, power windows, electronic stability control, rear window defroster, fog lights, trip computer, brake assist, overhead console, tachometer, remote keyless entry, panic alarm, cloth seat trim, rear window wiper, front reading lamps, tilt steering wheel. Come take a test drive today.